Hello guys, welcome once again in our channel. This is Amit from Tech Tutorial, and today we have come with another great video after a long time. And our today's topic is how you can create an awesome PPT using AI within just 5 minutes. So guys, let's get started with the video. This video is gonna be very much helpful for those who have very less time, and at the end moment you need to create a PPT on a certain topic and you really don't know what kind of slides do you need or what content you want to put. So let's head back to the ChatGPT first. So guys, as you can see, I am using the ChatGPT 3.5, and as we all know that it's all about how good you are at prompting to the chatbots. So let's see what you need to prompt to ChatGPT so that you can get the PPT. Okay, so here you have to write, I want a VBA code for PowerPoint presentation on the topic. I am choosing here, let's say, advantage and disadvantages of AI. Then you put the number of slides you want. So I want 10 slides. So I'm just writing this, and fill the contents as per your need. Okay, or as per your knowledge. Just put this word so that the content on the each slide will be put by the ChatGPT itself, and you don't need to do anything. Okay, now sit back and relax. ChatGPT is giving you the VBA code by which the PPT will be created, right? Okay, so here you can see the ChatGPT has given us the code for each slide, right? Now let's go to the Microsoft PowerPoint. What you need to do, first you need to press Alt plus F11. Okay, Alt plus F11, and as soon as you click it, you will redirect to this page, Microsoft Visual Basic for application. Here you find this option, the module. Okay, the code you have copied, just paste it here and click on this run button. Okay, and as soon as you run it, here you can see the slides are created automatically using the VBA code you have taken from the ChatGPT, right? Now let's design and give it a awesome look to this simple looking slides, and you can put your name here. Okay, so for this, click on this designer option, and on this designer option, generating design idea, and as you can see, there are lots of designs available for each slide. Remember, for each slide the designs are given, so just go to one slides after one. Okay, just one by one go to each slide and choose the design you want and keep the designs. As you can see here, I am choosing and putting the design automatically, right? So this is a pretty good way to choose the designs, and don't worry, you no need to do anything. The knowledge and the content, everything is given by the ChatGPT 3.5, and you don't need also to pay for any PPT one. So as you can see, this is our PowerPoint presentation on AI, the advantages and disadvantages using the AI itself. But let me tell you guys, this is for educational purpose only. Please don't use every time. Okay, this is just for an emergency case when you need a PowerPoint presentation in very short time. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Hope you have liked this video, and please share this video with your friends who need it. See you in our next video. Till then, have a great day, and thank you for watching.